Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to move taskbar from center to left corner. Let's start the video. Go to setting. Click on Personalization. Scroll down to Taskbar. Taskbar Behaviors. Taskbar Alignment. In front of it, drop-down shown, which have center and left options. If you like the video, then post a comment. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.